Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and today we're diving into something a bit different but really exciting, the Ricoma Luminaris 200 White Toner DTF Printer. If you've ever thought about taking your printing game to the next level, especially for small businesses or home setups, this might just be the machine you've been waiting for. Now, the Luminaris 200 isn't just any printer. This is an all-in-one direct-to-film, DTF, printer with white toner, designed to make creating custom apparel, sublimation projects, and even home decorations super straightforward. What's interesting here is how Ricoma has combined multiple functions. You're essentially getting a printer, transfer system, and Wi-Fi connectivity all in one package. For anyone who's ever struggled with complicated setups or dealing with multiple devices just to get a design onto fabric, this is a huge plus. From a build perspective, the Luminaris 200 feels robust. It's designed to handle frequent printing sessions without overheating or slowing down. The materials used give it a solid, reliable feel. It's not some flimsy desktop printer that struggles under consistent work. And the white toner? That's the real game changer. Unlike standard CMYK printers, adding white toner opens up a lot of creative possibilities. You can print vibrant designs on dark fabrics, create layered effects, and really make your colors pop. One thing I appreciate is the direct-to-film workflow. Normally, transferring a design to apparel involves multiple steps and a bit of trial and error. With the Luminaris 200, you print directly onto the transfer film, apply the powder, cure it, and then you're ready to press. It's faster, cleaner, and a lot more reliable, which is exactly what you want if you're running a small business or testing prototypes at home. Connectivity-wise, Ricoma didn't cut corners. Wi-Fi is included, meaning you don't have to fuss with cables or being tethered to a desktop. Whether you're using design software on a laptop or tablet, you can send your print jobs directly to the printer without any awkward setup. It also supports standard sublimation workflows, so if you already have a sublimation setup, this integrates seamlessly. Performance is where this printer really shines. Print speeds are respectable, and the output is consistently sharp and detailed. The toner adheres well, the colors are accurate, and the white toner maintains opacity even on darker backgrounds. If you're making t-shirts, bags, or other merchandise, the results are professional enough that you could sell them straight away without additional tweaks. Of course, like any specialized printer, there's a learning curve. Understanding the right settings for your transfers, how to manage powder application, and the heat pressing process takes a bit of practice. But once you get the hang of it, the workflow is smooth, and you can churn out high-quality prints quickly. For hobbyists, startup brands, or anyone curious about DTF printing, this printer simplifies what used to be a complicated process. In terms of maintenance, Ricoma's smart design includes features that reduce downtime. Automated cleaning cycles and easy access to consumables make it less of a headache to keep this running efficiently. That's something I always look for in tech like this, because a printer might be great on paper, but if you're constantly troubleshooting, it's a real drain on productivity. Overall, the Ricoma Luminaris 200 White Toner DTF Printer is a solid investment if you're serious about custom printing. It brings professional-grade capabilities to a home or small business setup, with strong reliability, great color accuracy, and that added bonus of white toner for creative freedom. If you've been on the fence about diving into DTF printing, this is definitely one of the models that makes it approachable without compromising on quality. So, if you want to grab one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Whether you're creating custom apparel, gifts, or experimenting with sublimation, this printer gives you a lot of tools to bring your ideas to life. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.